Okay, today we're going to learn the frontal view of for the human proportions of a face. To start with, we need to draw an egg shape. The egg is going to be wider at the top, skinnier at the bottom because that is where the chin is. Your head is wider at the top than at the bottom. I'm going to flatten that so I'm going to round it off a little bit. Please draw lightly so that you don't have to erase. I'm drawing dark so you can see it. So this is the top of the skull. This is the chin. Halfway between those two pieces. Oh, I didn't find the halfway mark yet. Too low. That's about right. Halfway between are the eyes. Okay, now when you draw the eye line, for this one straight on, you can just draw it straight across. Just a little bit, I don't quite like it yet. Okay, halfway between the eyes and the chin is the tip of the nose. And the lips are closer to the nose than the chin. So that's smaller than that. I could probably fit 2 of these spaces down here. That's lips. Closer to the nose than the chin. Draw your center axis, go straight up and down in the middle. Now, let's draw the nose. So I'm going to draw the tip of the nose. It's just a few lines. I'm not drawing the nostrils. I'm not drawing anything real big. I'm just drawing the tip of the nose here. Comes up a little bit. I'll draw a little bit here. Lightly. Okay, so the width between the nose that's going to be the same distance, same length of the eye from that corner here where the nose went up, right through the nose. So there is the same distance. As to there to there, and there. So these are all the same. The eyes, the distance between the nose, and the other eye. They're all equal. These are all equal. Equal sizes. 1, 2, 3 pieces equal to each other. So then we can put the eye in. It has like a curve up and down, curve down and up and down and up. needs a crease in his eye over here, and a crease in his eye over here for his eyelid. Give him an eyeball. Give him some eyebrows. Lips. Lips are going to stop in the middle of the eyes. The upper lip is going to be skinnier than the bottom lip. Women have bigger lips than men usually. His ears kind of stick out of his head. They come all the way down to the tip of the nose. Start on the eye level. They go up, back down, all the way to the tip of the nose. Now, his hair. Goes down in here, and it sits on top of the skull, so it's going to go out a little bit around. The hairline sits. Hair sits on top of the skull. It does not sit on the skull. You need a little bit of distance. Each person's going to have different heights. So you'd have to look and see what they have. Needs a neck. Necks go way out here, not right underneath the chin. His cheek kind of comes in. Once you got the basics in, then you can start getting in details as to how his cheeks go, and his chin. And there you have a human face, all of the proportions.